It's day 9 of the Aljunied Hougang Town Council trial, and former Workers' Party chief Thia Khiang confirmed that 2 days before incumbent managing agent CPG asked to be released, he had already discussed with FMSS about staffing the new managing agent. Mr. Lau also revealed that it did not cross his mind to call for a tender for a new agent before appointing FMSS. These were said in court during cross-examination by the plaintiff's lawyer, Davinder Singh.
Mr. Singh produced an email dated May 28 that showed Mr. Lau had already instructed FMSS's Ms. How Wing Fun that the AHTC managing agent should employ all the existing staff of Hougang Town Council. Mr. Lau admitted that he did not consult any town councillors before sending the email to Ms. How. Mr. Lau also agreed with Mr. Singh's suggestion that the decision to release CPG appeared to have been made before CPG asked to be released on May 30. Mr. Singh said that the evidence was inconsistent with Mr. Lau's claim that FMSS was a contingency plan. Mr. Singh was seeking to prove that it was Mr. Lau's intention to appoint FMSS as the managing agent instead of going through the process of a tender. He questioned how Mr. Lau, who had 20 years' experience running a town council, and his team, which comprised 3 lawyers, neither raised the need to call for a tender, nor asked CPG to continue until a tender was done. Mr. Lau responded by saying that's a fact. Mr. Singh then suggested that there was no intention to call for a tender. He claimed this was because the Workers' Party MPs had already locked in FMSS as the new managing agent, and they did not want any risk of FMSS losing out. In his evidence, Mr. Lau argued that there was not enough time to call for a tender, as CPG informed them of his decision to leave the town council slightly over 3 weeks after WP won Aljunied GRC in the elections. Mr. Singh claimed that Mr. Lau could have asked CPG to stay for longer to give them more time, but Mr. Lau said that it had never crossed his mind. Mr. Singh later produced an email dated May 13 from a WP member. The person had urged Mr. Lau to start employing or ask for a tender now. In a grueling 5-hour-long cross-examination, Senior Counsel Davinder Singh questioned if Mr. Lau behaved responsibly as a town councillor by not checking the terms of the managing agent contract before allowing FMSS to be AHTC's managing agent on similar terms under the incumbent CPG. Mr. Lau conceded that it wasn't responsible and said he did not know if the other MPs had seen the contract too.